Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use if plus average function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a student marks, and here I'm going to use if plus average function. If you want to check if number is greater than average and show message like above average and below average, then you can use if plus average function. So let's see how it's used. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the if. And here, select the marks, use the greater than sign, then use the average function. So I enter here the average and select the range of data. Log this range F4, press the F4, bracket closed, use the comma in double quote, write above average. So I write here the above average. In double quote, use comma again. Otherwise, below average. Okay. So I just enter here below average in double quote, bracket closed, and just enter. If C4 is greater than average of this range of data, then result I want above average. Okay. Otherwise below average. Of course, it's not greater than, then it will less than. So enter it means below the average. Okay. So here you can see the above average. Drag this below and you can see below average, above average. To cross check, I just select this cell and use here the average function. Average, select the range of data, bracket close and end. So average amount is 78 here. The above average, below average 65. 90 is the above average, below is 70 and 85 is above average. Okay. So it's correctly calculated. So this is a way you can use the if plus average function in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.